I found it. Yep, got it right here.
¡Cuidado! ¡Nos está alcanzando! ¡Corre!
Oh boy, he looks angry. Hey, Bloxworth, you really ought to start warming up the old hyper thrusters.
I'm sure they're fine. While we wake up our hyper thrusters, let's take a look at this year's nominees for Best Sleeper Hit. Outlaster. Mega Mech. The Wild West. Super Doomspire. And the winner is Super Doomspire.
Hi everyone, I'm Polyhex. You might know me as the co-creator of this, or the creator of this, or maybe this? I just want to say thank you so much for voting Super Doomspire this year. It means a lot to us. The game has sort of evolved a lot thanks to you guys, the players, and I'm really excited to see where it goes from here. Do you have anything to add, Bo? She doesn't know what a Bloxy is.
Well, that was really easy. Oh, you know, they really ought to make these quests more challenging, you know, raise that level cap for us experienced players, you know.
J-Party, look out behind you.
What? Oh no, oh good. No, he's cool, we're cool.
Ojalá tuviera un arma como esa.
Oh right, I'll go ahead and admit it. Rovi, I couldn't have done this without you. Or should I say, gracias.
Gracias, Rovi.
De nada.
J-Party, you didn't understand him at all, did you?
Au revoir.
I'd facepalm if I had hands.
Nos vemos en Roblox. ¡Hasta luego!
Well, I think we all learned something today. Except for J-Party.
What's up everybody, it's Creekcraft. One of the greatest things about Roblox is being able to share new experiences with people from all over the world. There's nothing quite like the feeling when you and everybody all get to be a part of the same moment together. That's why it's so awesome to present this brand new category for the year's Best Live Event. Let's see those nominees.
Best Live Event. Adopt Me, Fossil Isle Excavation. Jailbreak, 3-year anniversary. Arsenal, Halloween event. And the Bloxy goes to RB Battles Live event.
Wow, best live event? That's awesome!
There were so many amazing live events on all of Roblox this year, so we're extremely honored to be even nominated, let alone win a Bloxy?
Special thanks to our amazing fans, over 50 developers that worked on the event, and Russo for being amazing. Wait, who wrote this?
Not me. Okay, bye.
Detecting strange energy readings coming from RB Battles. Let's check it out. Here we are, the RB Battles Coliseum, home of the fiercest Roblox champions.
This is more like it. I always knew I was destined to become one of the greatest Roblox competitors. Hello? Hey, can you hear me? Is this on? Whoa, hey everyone, hey, there's an FJ party to go around.
J-Party, are the rumors true? Is your hair truly made out of bacon?
Ha! You kidding me? These immaculate curls? Please.
So, you're about to get launched into space. Tell us, what's going through your mind right now?
Say what now? You say space? No. I think we're supposed to, battle it out on Earth, like gladiator style. Whoa, hey, what's going on here, guys? I've got a show to host. Let me go. Bloxworth, a little help, please. Bloxworth!
Oh, I'm sorry. Did you all hear something? Or was that the wind?
Oh, I think I'm gonna be sick. We're taking off! Builderman! Wow!
We'll catch up with him later. It's time to recognize some more Bloxy winners. For Best New Game, the nominees are Brookhaven, Piggy, Islands, Outlaster, and the winner is Brookhaven. For Best Game Trailer, the nominees are Tower Defense Simulator, The Wild West, Tank Warfare, Parenthood, and the Bloxy goes to Tower Defense Simulator.
Hey, I'm Blue Natural, and we're some of the developers behind Tower Defense Simulator. This trailer took a lot of effort for us to produce. So, to everyone who voted TDS for this category, thank you for supporting us all the way.
Hey, yo, for real, man. And I just wanted to sit. Bruh, we got a dip.
Oh, let's move out now!
Now, let's see what J-Party's up to.
Hey, I know you. Aren't you the guy from the Bloxies?
Yes, that's me. I'm that guy. Listen, there's been a mistake. I gotta get back down to the stadium.
Chill. It's okay. I think I got something that can help.
Oh my God, here we go again. Dash space. I passed for first class. I am strapped to the back of the ship. This is just unbelievable. What are they gonna throw out next? I don't know. Am I supposed to just handle it all? I can't believe it. Hey, wait! How did you get that?
This thing? I just kind of saw it laying around. Not really sure how it works, though.
All right, yeah. Listen, I'm gonna be straight with you. We need that. Handed.
How about we race for it? You versus me. Beat my time, and it's yours.
What? And if I lose?
Well, let's just say I knew I was destined to host the Bloxies one day.
Wait, what are you saying? No way! Oh, listen, this is excruciating, back-breaking work. Trust me, you lack the conditioning to host the Bloxies. How about I let you intro our next category?
Alright, but then we're playing for reals. So then, let's see which of these video content creators made the biggest impact in the Roblox community. The nominees for Best Video Content Creator are...
Gaming with Kev. Lena. Creekcraft. It's funny. And the Bloxy goes to Creekcraft.
Oh, well, hi there. Wow, I certainly was not expecting this. I just want to say a huge thank you to everyone who voted for me. Huge shout out to the Roblox community, and huge round of applause to Roblox for putting all of this together and, and nominating me. Thank you very much.
All right, Bloxworth, you gotta help me out. Don't you have some kind of, like, I don't know, super-powered nitro-y boosters in there? Something.
Our augmented propulsion transfiguration engine, you mean? Oh, so you do remember that. If we had just tested it like I...
Look, they didn't come here to watch us run tests. They came here to see some action. This is RP Battles, baby.
I don't get paid enough for this.
Really? This is the best you can do? All right, step aside. Activating remote control override.
Stop! You'll overheat the engine.
Oh yeah! That's what I'm talking about. Whoa now! Slow down, everyone! Can somebody please hit the brake? Oh wait, there are no brakes. Slow it down, please! I can't believe we did it! Thank you! And thank you! No, you're breathtaking. Thank you all.
What was that? You are crazy, my dude.
But you gotta admit, that was pretty impressive, right?
Reckless, but impressive. Let me take you for a ride next time. Here, you earned it.
You see that, Bloxworth? I did it again! Despite your best efforts to hold me back, J Party comes through in a pinch.
While he gloats, why don't we get to our next award? For Roblox Video of the Year, here are the nominees. El Trollino, Roblox Noob to Pro Prison Architect. Lanky Boss, Ultimate Roblox Piggy Song. FGTV, Psycho Pig Music Video. Login HDI, Dream, Roblox Music Video. And the Bloxy goes to FGTV, Psycho Pig Music Video.
Yo, what's up? It's FGTV on Roblox, and I just wanted to say thank you to everyone who voted for Psycho Pig Music Video to be the Roblox Video of the Year. We had a lot of fun making it, even though I've had a nightmare pretty much ever since of Piggy herself. She haunts my dreams. Yes, but seriously though, thank you guys so much for voting. We love you. Peace.
I think we need to take a little breather after that. Why don't we hand it off to our friend, Leah Ash, who's here to present our next award. Leah, take it away.
Hello everyone, it's me, Leah Ash. I am here today to present the award for Most Educational Game. I love learning new things, especially when it's part of a fun and engaging experience. These titles helped us master new skills and discover the world around us at a time we needed it the most. Here are the nominees.
Lua Learning. Word Bomb. Chess. Space Sailors. And the winner is Lua Learning.
Hi everyone, Boat Bomber here. Thank you all so much for this incredible opportunity. Lua Learning is powered by a passionate community of aspiring developers who actively work to raise each other up and share their knowledge. I could not have received this award without your help. Thank you.
Okay, engines have been recalibrated. I think we're good to go. Hang on. Where's J Party?
Foxworth, can you believe it? Royal blood is here!
Doing. My name's Mike, and that is Ben on the drums, and we are Royal Blood from Brighton, England. Are you guys ready to rock? I thought so. Let's go.
trouble coming over and over again. I hear trouble coming. I hear trouble coming. I hear trouble coming over and over again. In my reflection, I see signs of psychosis. I try to pay them no attention, can't keep them under the surface. If I could, then I would. If I could, then I would. If I could. You don't think I would pretend? Trouble's coming, but I still don't know when. That's the voice that I can hear in my head. I hear it over and over again. I hear trouble coming. I hear trouble coming. I hear trouble coming over and over again. I hear trouble coming. I hear trouble coming. I hear trouble coming over and over again. I can't wait forever, 'cause I don't have the time left to spend wishing I was someone better, wishing I could start all over again. I hear trouble coming. I hear trouble coming. I hear trouble coming over and over again. I hear trouble coming. I hear trouble coming. I hear trouble coming over and over again. You don't think I would pretend? Trouble's coming, but I still don't know when. That's the voice that I can hear in my head. I hear it over and over again. I hear trouble coming. I hear trouble coming. I hear trouble coming over and over again. I hear trouble coming. I hear trouble coming. I hear trouble coming over and over again.
Okay, that's a song we wrote called Trouble's Coming. It's on our new album, Typhoons. That is out April the 30th. And this next song is called Figure It Out. Alright, put your hands in the air, let's go!
Nothing here to see, just a kid like me trying to cut some teeth, trying to figure it out. Nothing better to do when I'm stuck on you. I'm still while I'm here trying to figure it out. Getting hard to sleep, blood is in my dreams, love is killing me, trying to figure it out. Nothing better to do when I'm stuck on you. I'm still while I'm here trying to figure it out.
Let's make some noise for Ben on the drums, everybody. Thank you for having us here at the Bloxies. We wanted to do something very special for you all now and play a brand new song. Sound good? Okay. This song is called Limbo.